Yes. In this series of videos, I will be explaining you JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language. What I mean by interpreted is it won't get directly compiled to a machine code like a C language, where in C language it will get compiled to exe file on Windows. But JavaScript instead there will be a runtime in the background which gets executes this JavaScript directly. So if you want to execute on Windows directly, that is done with Windows scripting host like C script or JavaScript, W script for Windows based automations. And for initially the only interpreter available for JavaScript is uh, the web browser. It is designed for creating network centric applications, the JavaScript. It is complementary to and integrated with Java. For JavaScript is very easy to implement because it is uh, initially it was just embedded inside a HTML code. As it is interpreted, it's an open and cross platform. So let me create a sample JavaScript code and show you how to execute with a web browser, because initially it was created only for client side scripting. Let's say I'll create a HTML code like this. So HTML opening and closing braces, and again let me create a body tag. Opening and closing. Inside body tag, let's create script tag to execute JavaScript. And the language for the script tag is JavaScript. Type, it will be a text or JavaScript. It's a convention here to write multiple times. Here I can write the JavaScript code directly. So on a web browser where scripting is enabled, it will execute directly. But if the scripting is not enabled, it will be directly dumped as a HTML code. And as it is not a HTML code, we will get errors there. So that's why let's surround this document.write or whatever JavaScript code we write with HTML comments. So if this code is directly dumped as HTML, this will be treated as comments. Let's keep the code as .html, you see, and I'm opening with the, you see it got executed directly because scripting is enabled in this Chrome extended Brave browser. See, JavaScript is the base initially developed for client side scripting. So there are two types of scripting. One is server side and is client side. Server side means that will be executed on the remote server where the website is hosted, and that output will be transferred back to the client. But JavaScript is a client side scripting, means the complete JavaScript code will be downloaded to the client machine, and if you see view page source, you can see that JavaScript code is visible here. So in the client side scripting, there are many JavaScript frameworks available, just like extensions, so that instead of reinventing the wheel, we can use the functionalities available there. It's like similar to a library. Angular, React are most popular one, jQuery. Vue.js, Express.js, and also for server side Node.js, like that many are there. So what are the major applications of JavaScript? The first and foremost thing is client side validation. So that when we are entering any form details, instead of doing the validation at server side every time, so it's better to do one level of validation at the client side itself, then later to send that part to client server side and do the validation there. So client side validation is the first one. Another one is, instead of writing multiple HTML pages to uh, implement a functionality, it's better to write the code in JavaScript and modify the page with the JavaScript code, so that the client will feel like multiple pages are implemented. So for manipulating HTML pages. And in JavaScript we have options like pop-up boxes, message boxes, and also for user notifications also it is useful. So JavaScript provides Ajax library, which helps in loading backend data while you are doing some other processing. This really gives an amazing experience to your website visitors. Like instead of completely loading your HTML page, whenever there is a change in the cricket score, it's better to process only part of the data. And also for presentations, JavaScript also provides facility of creating presentations, which gives website look and feel. And the recent more implementation of JavaScript is to do the server side with the help of Node.js, where the Node.js runtime will be running on the server, which will interpret the scripts we write in JavaScript, so that JavaScript will be executing on the server side, and that output will be sent back to the client browser. So that's a basic introduction to JavaScript. And in this series of videos, I will be explaining you JavaScript as a client-side validation, like the runtime which will execute our programs will be a web browser directly. So let's begin.